Kareena Kapoor's look is iconic. Her abs, that chiseled jawline, her heavy brows and her smoky eyes are just #goals. And her makeup, it's always flawless. Now this is one of our most requested videos, how to achieve her look using drugstore affordable products, and I'm going to show you how. Dare you? तुम्हें कोई हक नहीं बनता कि तुम इतनी खूबसूरत दिखो? Not fair. I tried, you guys. I really did. I hope you guys enjoyed the smoky eye look. Let me know if you would recreate it and if it would be Bebo approved. Also, let me know the looks that you'd want me to do next in the comment section below. For more makeup tips and tricks, tune into POPxo Beauty. Bye.